So we're back. This is a dull panel. The charging port is bad, as you can see from the video. I had to remove it to replace it. So we'll be replacing it with another working charging port from another board scrap panel. So this, you can see, it looks worn out, and when the customer uses it, it doesn't power the system at all. So change it and replace it with another one. So here we go, it's off. You can see. Now let's make sure every part of it is pulled out. So now we're putting back the new one. See the way I'm fixing it gently. Now you can see it's well seated in, and we'll need to confirm by plugging a charger to see if it will wobble, but it looks firm. So let's check the volts of the current, if it's accurate. So yes, it's working. You can see the flashlight. So this is the bad one that was removed, and this is the new one. So you can see when plugged in, after some seconds, the LED lights will display this, showing that the work was done perfectly well. So for the last time, let's test run again and see when the light comes up. See, the board is okay, the charging port as well seated in.